Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi without any app. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and press the Windows R. Type CMD, so let me just go and delete that and type CMD, hit the enter button, and here I'll have to simply type IP config and hit the enter button. So here basically we'll get our IP config, and as you can see the default gateway. So all I need to do is just go. If you're on a Mac as an example, I am on a Windows right now, like an Asus PC, so I'm not on a Mac. So if you're on a Mac, all you need to do is just go and open your system preferences, go to network and select your connected network and click on advanced. Go to the TCP/IP and your router field is the IP. You'll be able, of course, to go and find it from there. So since I'm on a Windows, that's how you basically find your IP. So if you're on a Mac, I told you how to do it. Oh, of course, on your Android, you can go to the Wi-Fi settings, click on the connected network, and check the gateway or router. So now, in order to log into our router, we'll need to go and open a browser. And all I need to do is just type the IP of my router. So as an example, I'm just going to type that out right here, which is going to be, as you can see, the default gateway right here. So I'm just going to type it out and hit the enter button. Once I do so, they'll take me basically to a page where I'll have to enter your admin username and password. If you're connected to your Wi-Fi using Ethernet cable, probably you should just type admin and admin again. But for me, as an example, I am not connected with an Ethernet, so I'll have to go and use the username and password that I'll find behind my router. You should do the same as an example. Even sometimes if you're connected using the Ethernet, this will not do for you the job. So as an example, for me, for my router, the first page that I find is the devices that are connected at the moment into my Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it's 15 devices, and here are all the devices that are connected right now. Of course, this device list gets refreshed whenever someone is logged in or not logged into the same Wi-Fi. For you, you'll have to go and check any connected devices. If you have it on any other page, just go and look for something on like devices or connected devices, device list, DH, SCP client, wireless client, and you'll see the device name normally. And also you'll be able to see the MAC address if you want to, and also the IP address. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.